Welcome to Hot Wheels in San Jose. Actually, we're in Gilroy, Walmart to be exact. This is the Walmart parking lot, the front parking lot of Walmart in Gilroy. But Hot Wheels calls this event Hot Wheels San Jose. Look at this golden Cadillac. Look at the fins on this. Look how long it is. I think it's taking up 3 parking spaces. And actually they're handicap spaces. But check out that paint job. Looks really cool. Cadillac. Look at the eyes on that. Look at the fins. Look how long this thing is. That trunk, you can fit probably like Costco in there. Look at the inside. It's so cherry. What is this? Civic? Mopar. Dodge. Check out the engine on this one. Don't need no hood. Look at this hot rod. Looks rusty, but it looks cool. Check out the headers. Comes right out to the door. That front bumper, more like a hook. Chrysler with Lamborghini doors, front and back. On airbags, slammed. Hey, another Mopar. Check out the hood prop. Another Mopar. Look at the skulls holding up the hood. Look at the engine on this. Look at the blowers. It's as tall as the hood. What is this? A Corvette? Chevy. Another hot rod. Another cool paint job. Must have taken a lot of hours to put this thing together. Actually, this looks like the same body type as the other hot rod we saw a little bit earlier. It's got the same similar bumper. Hey, check out this slam hot rod. 4-door suicide doors. Look at it. It's like a open roof convertible. Look how slammed this is. Check out the interior. A lot of custom work. Look at the seats. You're basically sitting on the floor straight legged. If you're in the back, your legs have nowhere to go up unless you're up into your chest. This thing was as tall as my knee. Another 50s and 60s car. Look at this car. Purple. This thing reminds me of one of the Munster vehicles. Grandpa Munster. It was like a 30s Ford next to a Corvette with Lambo doors. Looks like it's a Blue Angel on the hood. Yep, Blue Angel. Says so on the door. I can read. Yeah, look at this custom thing. It looks like it should be in a Hot Wheel. Look at the gear shift handle. Look at the exhaust pipes on that. You want to make sure you're clear of it when you get out of the vehicle. You don't want to burn your leg. Check out this monster. Looks like the original Bigfoot or something. You don't want that thing behind you in traffic. Here's another slam hot rod. Convertible. Open air. Another piece of work. Must have taken a lot of hours to put together. Outlaw! Look at the interior. Look at all the custom work details in this. Look at the bullets. The barbed wire. The chrome. Check out this thing. Looks like a dragster. Looks like a bicycle frame with 2 engines. 1-seater. Imagine doing a wheelie in this thing. You're basically sitting on the rear axle. Check out the hood ornament on this. The event started at 8 o'clock in the morning, lasted until about noon. There was already a line before 8 o'clock rolled around. People were standing in line to buy merch. When we left around 11, there was still people in line. Hey, another real-life Hot Wheel. Check out this one. Twin Mill. Here's that line. Like a 50s, 60s vehicle. Classics. Vroom vroom. Hot rod. Open air. Look at that. Nice new interior. Slammed. Probably on airbags or something. Volkswagen microbus. Looks like a Caterpillar. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Come back soon. Bye.